Have you ever looked at your Instagram insights, see that a bunch of people have reposted your content, but when you tap on that number, nothing happens? It's incredibly frustrating. You know people are sharing your post, but Instagram doesn't give you a list of who they are right there in the Insights tab. Well, there's actually a way to find out exactly who shared your post, but you have to look in a specific place that most people ignore. Today I'm going to show you how to find that list in about 10 seconds. So stop looking at the post itself, instead go back to your main home feed. You want to head up to the top right corner and tap the heart icon to open your notifications. This is the only place Instagram currently logs its history. Now scroll through your recent activity. You are looking for a notification that specifically says reposted your post. And right here, boom, you'll see someone reposted this specific post. Now I can click their profiles, thank them, and actually engage with the people sharing my content, which is huge for growing your account. If this trick helped you solve the mystery of your ghost reposters, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Ever wonder how to change your location on Instagram? Check out this video now.